Aito nehe nehe, aloha o Hawaii, ana vai o te ora, e tau no te here, e tuahi, whale Polynesia, whare ori, halau hula o makalani na pili aloha, hei here mo rea, hiti raa tahi, hiva i te rai, hiva katoa, Hot Lava Productions, Hotua ori, hui tarawa, Aliloa o kaleo o nā lani, kalohi kamahine, ka waile hula hula o hana, le ori afi, le Polynesia, ma ohi nui, maka mai me lia o Polynesia, ma kani kai, Manuia Polynesian Review, ma Reva Productions, ma tarii, me hoi hana hana, na pua i lima, le menzo, no te here o te hiroa, nono sina o hina aro nui.
Ori te tia Sammy Montes, o te aapi, puahi, rau tamanui, ta e tiai, ta utiare, ta wakerere ata, te aho nui, te au te tunama, te ihi o te ara nui, te mana o te varua, te nati, te ohi nui, te orama, te ori mana, te pura o te rahuraa, te rahiti nui, te varua ori, te ohi nui, te oraroa, te waka nui, tumu rupe rupe, tupua, pura hau nui, wahi.
Heiva San Diego, água do monte, oi, Llorada, Llorada e Pier
welcoming everyone and welcoming them to this glorious event. She wants to say to all the group leaders and to the judges that we respect each other, that we start this ceremony with love and respect. She wants to greet the land, the people of this land, and everyone who is here today. Lovely. So what they're doing right now is preparing this tea fight. So that later on, all of the judges and the group leaders will place their OT or their tea leaf to pose upon the tea fight.
Rahiri, rahiri, Circle, circle, circle.
E whiri nei mātou e hae, e taura toru whenu e hae, whaatupu i te hau e hae, mai tai e ho e hae. E whiri nei mātou e hae, e taura toru whenu e hae, whaatupu i te hau e hae, mai tai i te hoera ae. E whiri nei mātou e hae, e taura toru whenu e hae, whaatupu i te hau e hae, mai tai i te hoera ae. Now that each group leader has put their tili for the outi on the T55, it's a symbol of their showing of respect for the judges' decisions and as well as respect for each group and group leader here for the Heiva San Diego.
Yeah, you're gonna repeat after me, right?
We will try.
Ya Heiva te Heiva!
Heiva te Heiva!
Ya Heiva te Heiva San Diego!